Hello everyone, Poonam here. Very warm welcome to all of you to Senses. So आज हम क्या बना रहे हैं? Right. आज सबका favorite, I bet सबका favorite is going to be butter chicken. Yes, आप अगर एक बार ये रेसिपी बनाओगे, you will never even think of ordering outside from the restaurant. So let's make butter chicken. खूब सारा बटर डलेगा, बढ़िया कसूरी मेथी डलेगी, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Really easy again. Recipes, all my recipes are easy, and I try to keep the ingredients whatever is available at home. Same way, vegetarian option, you can just add on paneer, which is the Indian cottage cheese, and that's it. So I can't wait. Let's start cooking butter chicken. So the ingredients for butter chicken you'll need are these. So this is the first step. Now first step, you'll need some chicken. I've taken some thigh fillets. You can even take chicken breast. With chicken breast, you just need to make a slit in between because we want the pieces really nice and fine, just like these. Really nice and fine. We don't want them chunky because we're going to pan fry it and we want it to cook a bit quicker. For the marination, you'll need some salt, red chili powder, some fresh ginger garlic paste. So that's for the marination. This is for the gravy, or we call makhni. You'll need some again fresh ginger garlic. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, which will give the beautiful color to your butter chicken. You'll need some cashews. These are 50 grams, roughly about say 10 to 12 cashews. Roughly chopped 2 medium-sized onions. These are fresh tomatoes. This is again also will give that beautiful color to your gravy. Don't worry about the seeds and the skin. It will all happen as we go along. These are roughly about 3 large tomatoes. These ones. Now this you need is kasuri methi. Right at the end of it, all you need to do is roughly rub the kasuri methi in your hands, in between your palms, and just sprinkle over the dish. It just gives beautiful flavor and taste. Garam masala, then you need some butter chicken. Butter chicken hai to butter to chahiye. You need some butter. You need some malt vinegar. Now malt vinegar really tenderizes the already pan fried chicken and it turns into something amazing, you'll see as it goes. You need some fresh cream and some sugar. So without any waiting, let's begin marinating our chicken for the very first step. Okay, first step first, let's start marinating our chicken. I already put my pan with oil in it. All the masalas, fresh ginger garlic goes in there. Use your hands, roughly nicely marinated. Right, so the chicken has been marinating for good 15 minutes. The oil is hot. We're going to pan fry it until you see all the chicken pieces nicely cooked. Okay, so our chicken has been pan frying for about 15-20 minutes. और ये बढ़िया पक गया है. As you can see, the oil is being released. This is a one-pot dish, so I'm gonna just strain all my pan-fried chicken pieces into a bowl, and we're going to use exactly the same juices and oil which is left over here. Right, in the same pan, add butter and onions. Okay, so the onions are nice and brown. Next goes all our cashews and our tomatoes. After the tomatoes and cashews, put all your spices that we had taken out. Some garam masala, malt vinegar, sugar, and that's about it. Give it a good stir, add some water in it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes just nicely to get the tomatoes mushed down. And do also add your fresh ginger garlic right at the end along with the masalas. In goes my Kashmiri red chili powder as well. Add some water and let it nicely cook and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so the makhni gravy or the butter chicken gravy has been bubbling for good 15 minutes, and you can see the color and the consistency. All the tomatoes have been squashed. The cashews are nice and soft. So we're gonna turn off our flame and we're gonna let it cool down completely before we're gonna churn it out really in a smooth paste and then sieve it. So let's wait for it to cool down. The makhani gravy has nicely cooled down. I'm gonna churn it nice and smooth in my mixer grinder. Look at that beautiful makhani color. We're going to sieve it with a fine sieve now, so that all the seeds and the tomato skin is out. Okay, so we have nicely sieved all the makhani gravy, making sure all the tomato skin and the seeds are out. In this goes next are all the pan fried pieces of chicken. Look at that, restaurant style. Since I learned making this, I have not a single day ordered any butter chicken from the restaurant. It is seriously so simple. Next goes butter chicken hai to thoda aur butter chalega, followed by the kasuri methi. Now all I'm doing is I'm rubbing between my palms. Oh, the smell of it is amazing. A bit more. There we go. And a little splash of some cream. Stir. Now because the chicken is already cooked, you don't have to worry about that, right? So that's the beauty of it. You cook your chicken first and followed by the makhani gravy. I'm gonna let it simmer for a few minutes and have it with lovely tandoori naan or chapati. See you in a bit.